morning. This is Grandma Freeman, and I have a dilemma here. This is my craft room, and I have too much stuff for the space that I have to get organized. I've started already. It's about 6 a.m., and I have to get this room organized soon. I'm thinking about having a garage sale, and I've already sorted out some fabric that I have set aside. So the books are the next thing that I have to go through. And it's not too bad right now because a lot of things are put away. But you can see. Well, I may even go through some of these later on, maybe not today, but soon. And I have scraps of cloth up there and my collection of woven baskets. And I'm thinking of, if I have a garage sale, that this one at the end there is a fisherman's basket. And I don't go fishing, but I thought I could put that up for sale. I think there's a net in there too, a fisherman's net. I'll have to check that. But anyhow, so there's more to go through than this, but this is where I'm at right now. I've already sorted through these. These are my craft books up here. And I set some things aside right here I'm thinking about selling if I do have a garage sale. So anyway, I'm trying to sort them into likes, things that are alike. And these right here, oh, there she is, the Fly Lady. And oh, I devoured that book. I read it, and I'm using the Fly Lady system. But I have to rid out. I have to declutter. And I've done this before, and I gave a bunch of books away. But these are real valuable books right here. And of course, my craft books are important to me. I'm still a crafter. I sew, and I do a little bit of embroidery work, but that's not my favorite thing. I like to sew with a sewing machine. So this is where I'm at, and I'm going to sit down in this little chair here and kind of show you what I have. Now this, I think I'm going to save that because this is Southern Living Organizing Made Easy, and I like that book. And so, but these books over here, I'll probably keep because you can see their sink reflections. That one is coming loose because I was reading that very intensely. And these are good. Haley's Hands. This is about, cleaning and organizing it. And so that one definitely. And this one I'm going to keep. And this one, I have another one. I think it's in the bookshelf in the living room. This is Making Work. This is Julie Morgenstern, and she is fantastic at organizing. She really gets into depth about how to do it, and I've read her books. I don't think I've read this one completely, but I'm planning to. And this is her career. She actually makes a living organizing. She has people that work for her, and they go into people's homes and organizing. So that's a definite keeper. This is about dieting. This is Weight Watchers. This is, of course, this is royal part of. This is, the Duchess of York. What's her name? Ferguson. What's her first name? Oh gosh, I'm not too up on that. And here she goes in. This I need to keep. I definitely need that one. And this is a cookbook, Jane Fonda's Cooking for Healthy Living. So I'm definitely going, if I ever sell those, it's going to be for much more than some of these other books. This is Handmade Christmas. And, we all know who this is. This is Martha Stewart. And so definitely that's a keeper. And this is, I don't organize like her. I've read this. I mean, I've looked through it. And this is how to decorate. So I do want to go through that again. I may get some hints in there, but I'm not quite that. I decorate with what I have. And so she's at the top of the list there. So, and then these, I think I will sell this. I love these books. Let me show you what they are. Creative Hands. It's everything from crocheting, knitting, sewing, all kinds of crafts. And it's a whole volume. You can see how many there are. Now this I would sell, I'm not sure yet, but I would sell this. And it would have to be somewhere local because I don't think I could ship all that. It would cost a fortune to ship all those to anybody. But anyhow, so those, and then these I'm thinking about selling. Now this one is Thomas Kincaid, and he's a famous artist. And so I'll just go through these. And this one, I really like her style. I may keep this one. This is Personalizing Your Home. It's about home decorating. I don't know if I'm going to keep that one yet. Of course, I'm going to keep whatever doesn't sell at my garage sale. Now, this one is too big for my bookshelf, and it's really nice. It's about decorating with quilts and collections. And they have some antique furniture in there, kind of a mix of antique and vintage, with quilts and soft cloths, or soft decorated. Oh, I don't even know how to say it. Okay, let's not worry about that. This is Better Homes and Gardens, Family Centers, and this is an organizing book. I may keep that, but I may not. I don't know. This one is Southern Living Style, Secrets of Style, and this is a really good one. I really like this, but I don't have that type of furniture, and I have to stick with what I have. I'm going on 80 years old. My next birthday, I'll be 80, and I have no money to buy new furniture or anything like that. If I get anything, it's going to be one piece and probably from a secondhand shop. And I know that doesn't make my son happy, but you have to do what you have to do and live with what you have. This one is Appliques Made Easy, and you can see there's a lot of embroidery on this one, and embroidery is not my thing, so definitely I'll try to sell that one. And here's a cross stitch for stitching for nurseries and gifts, and I've tried that, and I'm not very good at it. It takes a lot of patience. I'm always in a hurry to get my gifts done, so that has to go. And this one, this one is an older book, and this is crafts for projects for home and also for gifts. So that's a good one. Since Christmas is coming up, maybe somebody will be interested in that one. This is Patterns for Applique and Pierced Work. Now this looks simple, but it's not. But it's, for hobbies, those are good things to have. Now, all these books and things I have collected over the years. Many of them I have bought secondhand, so I'm not going to ask for a whole lot of money for these things. So this is Gifts in Jars, and it has recipes, and I think it's a cute thing. I have given food gifts all through the years, but I haven't done it that way. And these are baskets for gifts in baskets. And that's a great idea. I have a few that I could use. But I really like that one. I like that idea. I've done that with food gifts. And then here's a quilter's Christmas. Gives you ideas. And I think it has patterns in here as well. Oh, yeah, it has even templates. That's a great one. I like that one. I may keep that one. This one is the Book of Presents, and it's making gifts for every occasion. That's a very nice one. And this is a duplicate. I have this one in hardback. This is a paper or paperback cover, and this is More Sewing for the Home, and that's a very nice book. Very good one. This is the Stitching Post for quilting, and this one here is also too big for my bookcase. This is Christmas and American country living, recipes, crafts, and more for Christmas. Okay, so I have that, and so I think, and then I have some beauty books. I may sell one or two of those. I have some sleep books. I woke up so early this morning, but I'm not tired because I went to bed early and I had a good night's sleep. And then this is really my collection. I don't paint. I'm not good at it. Although I do have cloth paint, and I have some things I may paint. That's very tedious, so I'm not sure when I'm going to get to that because I have to do all this. This is Norman Rockwell's Portrait of America. He did, what was it, the Saturday Evening Post? He did the paintings or the illustrations and paintings for the Saturday Evening Post. And I even have calendars in here that I kept. I put them in here. Here's examples of calendars with his work. He did this for a long time, and it's vintage, of course. The art shows how people dressed back in the 50s, maybe 40s. So I guess that was the 40s. He did that one. Yes, it was a Saturday Evening Post. And this is a calendar from what year? Let's see. I had these. I got these. Oops. Paintings. Oops. Here's an example. That's a self-portrait, I think, of him in a gallery. Oh, okay. It was March 2005. So that's just an example. But I'm going to keep that. That is my collection. Here's the other one, Christmas book by Norman Rockwell. And that has all his Christmas work in here. And then, of course, I have more of those. Famous. If I ever find more of this, I'm going to, of course, collect it. So, and then I have books on cleaning and some cookbooks. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all of that. And these two are going by my bedside for me to read. Chicken Soup for the Christian Soul and Chicken Soup for the Christian Woman's Soul. So definitely I have to soothe my soul, especially after all this. And then here's some more home decorating books over here. I'm not sure. See, this is Rachel Ashley's Shabby Chic Interiors. I may sell that one, so I'll put that up here. And this I'm going to have to keep. This is the law, You and the Law, so I want to keep that. And right here, this one, definitely I need to keep that because I have size problems. So that's a keeper. And here's one over here. Now, I like this because it's vintage and it's very interesting. So I'll probably keep that one. And I guess that was it. So, and I'll look in my living room, see if I have any more books. I'm sure I have one in there that goes with another one, or that I need to keep. Well, anyhow, this is my stack for selling right there. So if you're interested, you can reach me at beefreelady@yahoo.com. And Be Free Lady is all together. It's spelled BEE, free, FREE, lady, LADY, all together at yahoo.com. And I'll probably put my email address in on my page in YouTube. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I have this tub is filled with upholstery fabric and then some materials. So I don't expect to sell everything at my garage sale if I have one before Christmas, but to lighten my load, I probably sell cheap. Okay, and I have some other things over there I have to go through, and over here too I have to go through some of that stuff. And I even have some Christmas cards that I'll probably just donate to a charity shop or something. And I'm getting organized little by little. My cookbooks I have in the closet, and I'll be having. I think I'm going to set up on YouTube Market. I think I'm going to set up a shop there. Maybe on Etsy. I don't know. I'll have to think about it for a while. I can see definitely I'm going to have to. So these are already set up. These are my craft books. And then my sewing cabinet's there and my sewing machine's there. Okay, kids. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.